Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at our holiday version of the market leading stocks. This is via our proprietary scans as we always do. This is going to be a session of Tuesday, December 23rd. Got very light volume. As you can see, we've got mostly volume deviations to the downside. Keep in mind this is the first day of the new option cycle, so we have to kind of shake through that. About an even amount of names on the buy and sell side, so we're kind of indicated as paired off here. First Solar has a downside CPS and is decently below the open, and also the UF. It's on fairly light volume. That might be one to track for the coming session. The financials, a little bit better looking as far as signals go than the Nasdaq patch, but there's just really not enough to be definitive by any stretch. Energy names seeing some weakness after a very strong day on Friday, but we're not seeing downside indications for the most part. So we could definitely see these things circle back around to the upside in a couple of days going forward. And the gold stocks and the energy names do tend to be seasonally strong right through the end of the year. So that's something to be aware of. Market generals here definitely better to the buy side, but we're on mostly the lighter volume. Concast, CMCSA had some news, and that is posting a contra candle to the downside, and that's the thing that's driving the volume in that particular issue. Housing names a little bit better to buy, but mostly light volume, and transports are kind of mixed, but on exceptionally light volume, even though they're one of the better performing groups on the day, up about 1%. And finally, the commodities, a little bit better to sell, but certainly not a lot of names on the list. U.S. Steel letter X is having a very tough day, down about 8% overall, gapped up, closed well below the open, and that's on increased volume, so keep an eye on that in the coming session. All right, folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.